In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can launch multiple accounts on the exact same PC here on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This method is super easy, but what you're going to want to do first is actually exit out of Roblox and open up a web browser of your choice. It doesn't really matter which web browser you open up, but essentially go ahead and search for Process Explorer, spelled exactly like this. Hit enter, and you're going to want to go to this Microsoft page just like so. Open this up, and you're going to see a download Process Explorer option. Hit download, and it's going to download a zip folder for you. Just drag this onto your desktop just like so. Once you drag it onto your desktop, go ahead and right click on that zip folder and hit extract all, and then from here hit extract. And it's going to give you a little folder that looks something like this. Just go ahead and open up that folder and look for this PROCEXP application. Essentially, just right click on this and then hit run as administrator, hit yes to open it up, and it's going to look something like this. And it looks a little bit confusing, but don't worry, it's actually super easy to understand. I'm going to break it down for you. But first, just drag this off to the side a little bit and open up your Roblox player. You don't need to load into a game or anything, and I'm going to actually minimize it so it's a little bit easier to see. Essentially, just go ahead and search for Roblox on Process Explorer and find the Roblox player beta.exe on here. Select this, and you should see a few different options appear in this lower pane view. If you don't see this, hit view, go to this lower pane view, and then just make sure that you tick handles on just like so. After doing that, select handles, and then in here, you're looking for these event tabs right here, specifically this one that I have selected that says _ singleton event right here. Now, this is the process that pretty much prevents you from opening up multiple tabs. To get rid of this, just right click on it and hit close handle, hit yes, and then it'll disappear. It'll go red and then disappear. And from here, go ahead and open up another Roblox player just by selecting it just like so. And as you can see, we now have 2 of these opened up. Essentially, what you're going to want to do now is sign into a different account by selecting more, scrolling down, hitting log out, and logging out again. And then from here, hit sign in or create a new account. It doesn't necessarily matter. I'm using quick login for me personally just because it's super easy. And as soon as you sign into this account, what it's going to do is it's going to log you out of your main account. As you can see, it happens pretty much every single time, even though it looks like it didn't happen yet for me. Oh, there we go. It just logs out. Go ahead and sign back into your main account on this one. And once you do get signed in, you can go ahead and either get loaded into the exact same game, different games. It really is up to you. And yes, you can pretty much infinitely do this. I can open up another Roblox player and just have 4 of them playing. It's pretty sick. But let's say I want to play whatever, I guess Sunset Club on this for whatever reason. And then in this one, I want to play Mount RNG. And as you can see, we essentially have 2 playing at the exact same time. This one looks kind of whack. I don't really care about this that much, but that is it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. To switch between tabs, just simply click on it just like so, and you can make these full screen as well. It really is up to you. Before you leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.